Only for 30 seconds, though. It's not going to get that much sleep.
Oh boy.
Come here, Pumpkin. Come here, Pumpkin. Come here, Padu. Come here, Padu. Really? That's not fair. That's totally unfair.
It's hot enough in here to want to go to
She
sleep.
thinks we're affiliated. I mean,
I know.
when she's doing what she's supposed to, that's a totally unfair assessment.
So, do you want me to go with the immediate sniff of the handler's knee?
Yes, because I think she did.
She